The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall.
Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Now there's two pieces of video that is out on social media that shows up a breaking and entering of a supermarket that is located in Tunapuna of Trinidad and Tobago. These two videos shows of a group of men using a gas welding torch to enter a supermarket and removing a few items. Now, this incident said to have happened on the 12th of September 2019, and some people on social media are saying that they had too much time to do something like this. Now, I am about to show you these two pieces of video put together so that you can have a better understanding of what had happened. But before I show you these two pieces of video put together, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can just let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.